I get worried when I hear people talk about human design as a labeling tool. When people tell me I'm a this or I'm a that, or I don't have this or I don't have that in my chart. And I think that in the process or the natural conditioned drive that we have to want to classify and label things, we forget that human design isn't a labeling tool. It's a map. It's an instruction manual, if you will. Your human design chart is the interface, how you interface between your life, what you create, and the quantum field. And so your human design chart isn't something that's static and some kind of fixed explanation of who you are, but rather it's a definition of how you are, how you interface, how you explore the opportunities and the possibilities that life throws at you, how you engage with the world, with other people, how you engage with evolutionary themes and with opportunities that show up. It's how you engage with your natural creative capacity. And when you understand that that chart is an instruction manual for how you operate in the world, you begin to understand how to better activate your full creative potential.